What's up, everybody? Mitch coming to you here. We got a good one for you today, okay? This is our first YouTube video, and we've got a tire service call. As you can see here, the customer got into some unfortunate circumstances with his potential neighbor, or made somebody angry. Jack, go ahead and pan around and show the folks what we're dealing with today.
So the tires are slashed?
Yeah, all four tires, unfortunately, slashed. Like I said, folks, my name's Mitch. I have been in the tire industry.
How do you go open? How do you open it?
Open what?
How do you extend it?
We're gonna be making some weird content here for first little bit, trying to get all of our stuff.
No, not that way. How do you extend it? Oh, like that. Okay.
You gotta extend it like that. Goodness gracious. All right. Take two, maybe? No? Okay.
No.
Well, again, my name's Mitch. I've been in the tire industry 20 years. I just started my own tire company called Campbell's Tire and Service. You can kind of see it right there. I'm repping the wife's business today. She's got a little dumpster rental business. We're here in Utah. This service call today is down here in West Valley, Utah. If you know, you know. Come on back here. Let me show you. We actually got two service calls today. Okay, this first one obviously with this F-150. We got four tires back here. We're going to go ahead and swap out for them some Pantera LT 285 7017s. Then after that, we're going back to South Weber up north, the good part of Utah. We're doing some 385 65 22.5 Yokohama 505 seats on a dump truck. It'll be beautiful. Don't worry. Well, stand by, folks. We're going to get started, get this thing jacked up in the air, and start changing some of these tires. All right. We got the first tire up in the air here. We're going to get our impact wrench socket, get this thing off and get it changed out. We're starting off with at least one. I don't have three jacks with me. I mean, I got one extra one. Dad jokes for days.
You're still rolling.
I know. Okay, folks, stand by. We're gonna get this tire off. I've worked on this customer's vehicle before a few times. Jack actually knows this one very well. We had to do some brakes on the side of the road, a busy road for this one time.
Oh, it was this one?
Yeah. Well, folks, let's just out of curiosity see where this one's actually leaking from.
You still want me to keep rolling? Knife slice. Well, not to worry, we got them covered.
want me to cut or still keep going?
Go ahead and pause.
Once.
Okay, so we went to Harbor Freight this morning and got a little tool that we thought might help us. A little manual bead breaker tool. It does not love aluminum wheels. Does not do a good job for aluminum wheels. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that one there for now. Gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Now, folks, I'm a new tire company, obviously, so I don't have the resources or the fancy equipment to have a trailer to be able to do the dismounts, mounts, balances. So we're gonna do it old school way. I am a heck of a swinging artist with this here duckbill hammer. So that's what we're gonna do. Stand by, folks, while I get this thing off. All right. Old school means tire bars. Getting this sucker off. We did bring balance beads with us, so we'll be able to somewhat balance it. But if the customer wants it computer spun balanced, we'll have to either come up to our shop in Layton, up by Hill Air Force Base, where we have a computer spin balancer, or take it to a local shop here to be able to get it done. One tire down, 3 to go.
Oh, we should brought your sticker ball.
Oh, don't worry.
You already have one?
I have one.
Oh, yeah.
It's not quite the shape of a ball yet, but
We have a better one at the shop.
The one at the shop is way better. We'll show them
Okay.
that later
When we get there.
So we'll take sticker off, add it to our pile. Got to get our mounting paste. Yes, folks, I can hear in the comments now, man, he's breathing hard. I'm fat. I'm a fat tire guy. So when I work, I'm going to be breathing kind of hard. Okay? Ugh. And if you ask the kids, I'm old too as well. 30 something.
You know, vintage is like 26 years old. 25 years old.
Well, I'm vintage then, apparently. Let me grab the balance page real quick. In our handy dandy chart, these tires, like I said, are a 285 70R17, and we're looking for light truck SUV, 17-inch. Let's see, 285 7017, half ton, 1 ton. This is a half ton truck. 285 7017, which means we're going to do 6 ounces per tire.
Oh.
No, we don't have individual bags. We're balling on a budget here. What we do have is a box with a bag and a 2-ounce scooper inside there with a funnel in case somebody wants to do balance beads after the fact. Because yes, even with those lifted applications, you can do balance beads in bigger tires. All you got to do is break the bead. I usually put the funnel in there, in between the bead of the wheel and the tire, and dump it in. 2, 4, and 6. Now, gently without spilling any of it. You start mounting the tire back up. Move this out of the way before it spills everywhere. Grab our handy dandy mounting bar. Start mounting. Boom. Just like that. Now we gotta air it up, bolt it back on, and yes, for those asking, we will be taking the old wheel weights off. Stand by, folks. All right. Well, Jack's gonna do some magical, like, you know, computer young person stuff to mold all these videos together. We just got done doing like a little time-lapse thing of the other 3 tires because I'm sure it was hard to hear me with the compressor going and all that kind of stuff, but we're done. Let's walk around, show.
It's a lot more warmer now.
Yeah, it's sun's come out, and for those that live in Utah, or for those that don't know about Utah, we haven't had any winter yet this year. It's in February, and it's like 50. Normally, we should still have at least 4 to 6 inches of snow, hopefully. For all my
You know, the radio
Snow
station, said that we were gonna get snow in July.
I hope not. But as you can see, right, we've got all 4 new tires on here, mounted with the equal balance, which is those little balance beads you guys saw earlier. Last but not least, which is one of the most important things when installing tires, torquing the lug nuts. Okay? Torquing the lug nuts ensures that your wheels don't fall off. Because I did not miss lug nut day. I've been doing this almost 20 years now, and knock on wood, never had a wheel or tire fall off on me under my watch of being Tire Man Mitch. And for those that know me, they used to call me Lug Nut Mitch. It's a little weird, but okay. All right. So
Here, let's give them
this
like a little
F-150
bit of you twerking it.
This
Twerking
F-150 is going to be torqued at 150 foot-pounds. No pun intended there. And yeah, we're going to torque these lug nuts, get these center caps back on here, and we're going to be on to the next one. So we got a dump truck that needs some front tires.
Here, let's give them a little.
Now, because this wheel is turned clear to the left, it's going to make it very difficult for me to torque normally how I would. So we'll just do up, since it's a pain. And you do a star pattern, and you get them torqued. On to the next. Same thing over here. Slap this bad boy on there like that.
You forgot the other one.
I know, we'll get it. Last Another cap. Slap this front one on there.
Because he forgot.
I didn't forget. It was just out of my reach at the time. Boom. Done. Benito. Don't know what kind of outro we should do on these type of things, especially on service
Well,
calls.
technically, it's not the end of the video.
I mean, it is.
For a little while.
For a little while. And we got to do a little bit of cleanup, get the junk tires loaded up. We'll be on to the next one. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we will see you in the next one.